In this tutorial, we will show how to do the connection for HCU2000 controller with HNA 500i amplifier along with HMC 2000 call station. It is Intevio HCU2000 controller which has inbuilt 500 watt Class D amplifier. This single controller can work as an 8-zone voice alarm and public address system. We can connect only one amplifier directly to this controller. When more power and speaker zones are needed, it can be expanded by using external power amplifier and zone expander HEX8, HEX24. This is HNA 500i 500 watt Class D amplifier of single LAN port which support audio input and 100 volt 70 volt speaker outputs. First, we will start with the connections between HCU2000 and HNA 500i. On rear side of HCU2000, there are two PA interface, CH1 and CH2 RJ45 ports. And on rear side of HNA 500i, there is an input RJ45 port. Connection need to be done from PA interface CH1 of the HCU2000 to HNA 500i input port through SCAT6 cable. On rear side of HCU2000, there are 2-pin input terminals for CH1A out 100 volt 0 volt, CH1B in 100 volt 0 volt, CH2A in 100 volt 0 volt, CH2B in 100 volt 0 volt. And on rear side of HNA 500i amplifier, there is a 5-pin input and output terminal for 100 volt, 70 volt, common, NC, 5-pin is unused. Connections need to be done from HNA 500i output terminal 100 volt and common to CH1B in 100 volt and 0 volt terminal of HCU2000 with a 2-core copper cable. We have 8 speaker circuit on HCU2000 where we can connect speaker lines. Now we will show the connection for HMC 2000 call station with HCU2000. This is the HMC 2000 call station for the Intevio system which allow user to deliver live paging and trigger background music, service broadcast or emergency broadcast to the selected speaker groups. It can also be used for volume control, temporary recording and audio monitoring, etc. Up to 6 HMC 2000 can be connected in one system. On rear side of HCU2000, there are 2 call station RJ45 ports, and on rear side of HMC 2000, there are 2 RJ45 ports named as input and output. From HCU2000 call station, RJ45 upper port need to be connected on RJ45 input port of HMC 2000 with LAN cable. If distance between controller and mic is less than 10 meter, then there is no need to connect power adapter to HMC 2000. And if distance is more than 10 meter, then it is required to give external power to HMC 2000. There is a power terminal on HMC 2000 on which external power supply need to provide through the power adapter which comes along with HMC 2000. Maximum distance between HCU2000 and HMC 2000 would be 90 meter. You can see that there are 4 dip switches on the rear side of HMC 2000 to provide address. Kindly refer this table for dip switch setting. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Visit www.honeywelldiscovertraining.com.